What if I told you that you don't need medicine? You don't need expensive therapy. You don't even need to travel far to feel calm again. What if the cure for stress was always around you, but you never noticed it? In Japan, there is a simple practice called Shinrin-Yoku. It means forest bathing. And no, it does not mean taking a bath in water. It means something much deeper. But before we begin, subscribe to Health Wealth Books, because here we don't just learn, we transform our life. Shinrin-Yoku started in Japan in the 1980s. At that time, people were becoming more stressed. Cities were growing fast. Work was becoming harder. Life was becoming louder. So Japan asked a simple question. How can we help people feel calm again? And the answer was not complicated. It was nature. Shinrin-Yoku means to spend time in the forest, slowly, mindfully, not for exercise, not for photos, not for social media, just to be there. You walk slowly, you breathe deeply, you look around, you listen to the wind, you feel the air, you notice the trees, no phone, no noise, no rush, just you and nature. And something surprising happens. Your mind becomes quiet.
Today, most people think they are tired because of work, but that is not fully true. You are not tired because of work. You are tired because of too much stimulation. Think about your day. You wake up and immediately check your phone, messages, notifications, emails. Then work starts, screens, deadlines, decisions. After work, you watch videos, scroll social media, check more messages. Even your rest time is full of noise. Your brain never stops. It is always active, always processing, always reacting. And slowly, your mind becomes exhausted. Not because it worked too much, but because it never rested. Shinrin-Yoku gives your mind something rare: silence.
Now, imagine this. You walk into a forest. At first, it feels strange, too quiet, too slow. Your mind is still running fast. You think about work, problems, future. But slowly, something changes. The air feels cooler. The light becomes softer. You hear birds. You hear leaves moving. There is no pressure, no expectation. And your body starts to relax. Your breathing becomes deeper. Your thoughts become slower. Your shoulders drop. Your steps become lighter. You are not trying to relax, but relaxation happens naturally. This is the power of Shinrin-Yoku. It does not force you to calm down. It creates an environment where calmness happens on its own.
This is not just philosophy, it is science. Researchers in Japan studied this deeply. They found something amazing. Trees release natural oils into the air. These are called phytoncides. When you breathe them, your body reacts. Your stress hormone goes down. Your heart rate slows. Your blood pressure becomes stable. Even your immune system becomes stronger. Yes, just by walking in a forest. Also, nature has a special effect on your brain. It does not overload you. In the city, your brain is always filtering noise. Cars, lights, people, screens. But in nature, everything is gentle. Soft sounds, natural patterns. slow movement, your brain finally gets a break. And when your brain rests, your mind heals.
If Shinrin-Yoku is so powerful, why don't we do it? The answer is simple. We forgot. Modern life pulled us away from nature. We moved into cities. We built walls, roads, buildings. We replaced trees with screens. And slowly, we stopped connecting with nature. Also, we believe something wrong. We think productivity means always doing something. Always moving, always working, always achieving. But real productivity comes from a calm mind. A tired mind cannot create. A stressed mind cannot think clearly. Shinrin-Yoku reminds us that doing nothing is sometimes the most powerful thing.
You don't need a big forest. You don't need a special plan. You just need intention. Here is how you can start. Find a place with nature. It can be a park, a garden, a small group of trees. Go there without your phone or keep it on silent. Walk slowly. Do not rush. Do not count steps. Just walk. Look at the trees. Notice the colors. Touch the leaves. Feel the texture. Listen carefully. Birds, wind, silence. Take deep breaths. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Stay for 20 to 30 minutes. That is enough. The goal is not distance. The goal is presence. If your mind starts thinking, that is okay. Just bring your attention back to nature. That is Shinrin-Yoku. Simple, natural, powerful. If you practice this regularly, something beautiful happens. Your mind becomes clearer. You think less, but understand more. Your stress reduces. You feel lighter. Small problems stop feeling heavy. You sleep better. Your body feels relaxed. And most importantly, you start enjoying simple things again. The sound of wind, the smell of earth, the light through leaves. You realize something powerful. You were never missing happiness. You were just too distracted to notice it. Shinrin-Yoku does not give you something new. It helps you return to what was always there. So, next time, when life feels heavy, don't run faster. Don't work harder. Just go outside, walk into nature, and let nature heal you. And if this video helped you, even a little, subscribe to Health Wealth Books, because here we don't just learn ideas, we build a calm, strong, and meaningful life.